Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Like you already know, today we are going to be making bread buns, which is Poki. So we are going to be taking it back memory lane. So without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you to the ingredients. I have 500 gram of flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 30 gram vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 egg. So I'm going to be putting all the recipe with their measurements in my description box. So this is all that we need for these bread buns. So let's get into the main business. I'll be adding all the dry ingredients together, which is the flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Mix that together until they are well incorporated. So the next thing is to add in my vegetable oil. Then crack in the 1 egg. So I'll drop my spatula and use my hand. My hand is well washed. I'll be adding in the water bit by bit. So I'm going to mix this until I get a dough. Please don't forget to hit the like button. So I'll transfer the dough into my working surface. I'm going to knead this very well. You have to knead it very well if you really want to get it. If you didn't knead it very well, you end up getting a hard, as if it's chin-chin. You have to knead it as if you are baking your bread or your donut. After kneading, I'll put a little bit of flour on my work surface. Then I'll use my rolling pin to roll it and spread it wide. When you are making this, the only thing that can make you not to get it, you can get the ingredients, but if you didn't knead it very well, you are not going to get it right. The kneading is very important. So after spreading it, I'll roll it up. So I'll roll it to the edge and make sure that the tip is very sealed. I'll seal it up very well. Then stretch it out again. I'm stretching it out because there's a design that I want. I'll show you at the end of the video the reason why I stretch it out again like this. So it's time for us to cut it into our desired shape. You can as well cut it bigger than this, but I prefer this so that it can cook through very well without soaking oil. This size is very perfect. I'm done cutting everything. So you can see that line on this face. That was the reason why I stretch it out again, because I want that design. You can see the line. I've already heat up my oil and it's very hot, so I'll be adding it one by one. Allow your oil to be hot before you start frying. If you like this video and you have watched to this extent, don't forget to hit the like button and share to your loved ones, because I know then we really enjoyed these snacks back then in school. I know some people will be mixing it and want to do it. People in your timeline will love to make this by themselves. So you continue to fry it until it's golden brown. I'll be packing it out of the oil because it is well cooked and I love the color. And we are done frying. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for always coming through. I know you are going to love this. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if this is what we enjoyed then back in school. You can enjoy it with any beverages of your choice or soft drinks. See you all in my next one. Bye.